Hi, Kevin. This is your tutor, Kim. The last day of school today. I know you're so excited for summer vacation. I thought that I would read you a couple stories today, and that's going to be it for this year. So let's get started on this one. And I thought it would be fun because this one is called Treasure Hunt. Sounded exciting. Sophie rolled over. Something crinkled under her cheek. There was a note on her pillow. She sat up and read it aloud. Uncle Dave is often away. He wishes he could stay and play. Read the poems and follow the clues. You'll find a surprise. Now that's good news. Sophie grinned and jumped out of the bed. Uncle Dave sent wonderful surprises. Once he'd sent drums from Africa. Another time he'd sent boomerangs from Australia. There was another clue on her bedroom door. She read it. You must be hungry. It's time to eat. Go to the kitchen and have a seat. Sophie raced to the kitchen. A bowl of cereal sat on the table. Another note leaned against a glass of juice. Sophie poured her milk and picked up her spoon. She read the note. After you eat, put your dishes away, brush your teeth, and start the day. Sophie ate her cereal and drank her juice. What could her surprise be? Chopsticks from China? She ran to the bathroom. A clue was stuck to the mirror. Sophie quickly brushed her teeth. She read the note. Now your teeth are clean. Wash your face with soap. Look under the car and you will find a rope. Sophie washed her face. What was her present? A woolly hat from New Zealand? She raced outside. She wants to find out. The car was in the driveway. Sophie spotted the end of a rope. She pulled it. It flew out from under the car. A note was pinned to the other end. Sophie read it. A secret code will open the door. Knock 3 times, then knock 4. Sophie ran to the front door. What was her surprise? A kimono from Japan? Wooden shoes from the Netherlands? She knocked 3 times. Then she waited. She knocked 4 more times. The door opened slowly. Sophie held her breath. Mom, she said. The door opened wide. Surprise, Uncle Dave said. He lifted Sophie and swung her around. Sophie squeezed her favorite uncle. You're the best surprise ever. Wow. So it was her uncle that was the treasure that she found. So we're going to ask 3 questions about this story. The first one is what is the story mostly about? I agree, that's right. Now you need to name one gift that Uncle Dave had previously sent to Sophie. So what did he give her before in the past? Yes, that's right, that's right. Do you remember how many times did Sophie knock on the door? 3 times. And then 4. That's right. Very good. Okay, I'm going to get ready to read one more story, okay?